This video is a guide to how to assemble a 4-divided wheel. For smooth assembly, it is recommended to assemble on a table or workbench. Position the 2 divided parts. After positioning to the connection clip, start assembling from the below. Check that the connection clip in the middle is connected. When connecting the top, adjust the approximate position with one thumb before connecting. Tighten the bolts from the inside of the wheel. There are a total of 4 bolt holes on the inside of the wheel. Tightening from the outside of the wheel is engaged with the washer and the bolt. Tighten the bolts to the connections on the outside of the wheel. After all bolts are tightened, position the wheel cover. Tighten the wheel cover from the inside of the wheel. Position a new part beside the assembled part. Start assembling from the below. Tighten by the bolts. Position the wheel cover on PCB, not position wheel part. Position a last part beside the assembled part. Place the assembled main wheel on the stand. Position the main wheel to contact with all 4 wheels of the wheel stand. Attach the LED line to the groove inside the wheel. Insert the silicone cover on the LED line. Insert cover sequentially up to 3/4 points. Fasten the ends of the silicone cover to the beginning, and then reversely. If it's spring out, press the middle part to tighten it. Attach Velcro tape. The gap between each Velcro tape is approximately 1 centimeter. Attach the gaps in the connections of each Velcro line so that they do not overlap. Press the tape once more with a hard and smooth object. Press the button on the PCB board to apply power. Roll the wheel and check that the LED is illuminated in a fixed position. Check the Bluetooth connection and pair the wheel. Position the last wheel cover and tighten by the bolts. Attach the inner mat. Attach the gaps in the connections of each inner mat so that they do not overlap. Press and check the inner mat.